Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is the second installment of Dinners of the Week on my channel, and more specifically, how much it costs us to either dine out or make dinner at home. So I'm going to show you the breakdowns for the entire week, starting with Monday, and unfortunately, I didn't tag the rest of the meals with the day of the week, but they do fall consecutively. So on this day, we decided to make semi-homemade enchiladas. I mean, we made them at home, but it was with mostly pre-made ingredients. So these had chicken in them. It was just a little over $13 to make the entire pan or entire baking dish, and it was just a little over $3 per serving. And if you break it down, it doesn't really come out that well because we divided the enchiladas by 5 and we divided the rice and the corn by 2 because we did split those. So it's just a little over $3 per serving, and everything turned out really well. And I also decided to throw a typical lunch for me in here. This is me going to work. I usually take some kind of frozen, or sometimes I take leftovers, but this came in at just over $2 per serving, and I did buy the entree at Target. And this meal might look familiar to you. Last time we had this with some rice, but this time we made some homemade oven potatoes. Very simple, but we had some potatoes we needed to use, so we did that. And we used some powdered ranch dressing seasoning on these, and they turned out really well, and some Parmesan cheese. We had some corn with it and 1 piece of garlic toast, so you can see the breakdown was just under $4 per serving. And I know we don't always eat the healthiest. We eat a lot of high carb, which is not good, but it is something that I'm going to be working on. And this evening we went out to eat, and I got a grilled chicken Caesar salad with croutons, Parmesan cheese, and I promise you the chicken is done. It's just the really bad lighting. But this came in at $11.99, and obviously we had to pay for 2 dinners for us, one for me, one for my husband, tax and tip. So if you have a Sam's Club or Costco close by, I highly recommend these taco kits. They are fresh, they're not frozen, and they are amazing. The quality is so good. The chicken is never any funny stuff. It's delicious. It's seasoned super well. And both Costco and Sam's Club carry the exact same kit with the exact same ingredients. They even give you little lime wedges. So I highly recommend trying these. They are delicious. Just around $1.40 per taco. And believe it or not, this honey chili glazed chicken definitely had some spice to it, but it was really good. And I got it on a local website, if you can believe it. It was really good. You don't need a lot of honey. It just creates this kind of sticky glaze, but most of it was the chili sauce So it came out really, really well, just over $3 per serving with some rice. It was super simple, and I even threw in the cost of our paper plate again for this. So that is all I have to share with you in this video. Please check back. I'm going to keep this series going, and I hope you guys are having a great week.